Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign in and pick a template size so your photo fits the final layout. Once you've opened your design, drag your image into Uploads or click Upload and select the file. Make sure the photo resolution matches your needs. Higher DPI for print versus lower for web to avoid blur. After the image appears, click it to add to the canvas. From here, you can immediately move on to positioning and basic adjustments. Don't delay. Now refine how the photo sits in your design. Click and drag corners to resize, use crop for composition, and rotate if needed. Once positioned, open Adjust to tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation. Small changes can fix exposure and color cast. If you need a specific shape, drop the image into a frame or grid to mask edges instantly. For consistent looks, apply a preset filter and then fine-tune manually. Make sure elements align. Finish by adding text or overlays and apply effects like shadows or blur to integrate the photo. Group related elements and lock layers so nothing shifts accidentally. When ready, click Download and pick PNG, JPG, or PDF with the right quality. Choose transparent background if needed. If the photo looks blurry after export, make sure you export it at high quality. Confirm the original file resolution, and upload a higher resolution image if necessary. If alignment issues persist, use undo and snap guides to correct them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.